The big business tycoons and companies are all ready to revolutionize your shopping experience with the concept of Super App. Well, I presume you must have heard the word because it's the new trend. Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm discussing the ongoing trend of Super App and how it has created a war between various big companies. So make sure you watch this video till the end because we have something real informative for you. So firstly, let's start with what is a Super App. In layman experience, if I have to explain you, Super App is a single application that has all the service in single app. For example, if you want to shop for your grocery, you can use that app. If you want to shop for your online shopping, e-commerce, you can use that app. If you want some consultation, you can use that app. If you want to book your travel tickets, you can book from that app. So how convenient will it be for the users to have a single app rather than having multiple apps for your different needs? The concept of Super App came from WeChat from China. As we know, WeChat initially started as a messaging application and now shifted towards e-commerce and presently has a regular user base of 1.2 billion users. So undoubtedly, it has been a super successful element. Seeing the success of the best super apps like Gojek, Grab, WeChat, it has influenced many businessmen to step into the same market of super app. So now all the companies are all set to hit the war of super apps. Now let me first share some fun facts with you. The global mobile market was valued 106 billion US dollars in the year 2020 and expected to grow to 400.7 billion US dollar by the year 2024. So this explains us very well how the consumers are having more mobile-centric approach and going into the application for their daily needs services and purchases. Also, mobile apps are expected to generate a revenue of 937 billion US dollars by the year 25. So such facts make it very clear that how users really have a good experience on using application for their needs, and undoubtedly when a super app enters where you cut down on 5 applications and use just the one can be a fruitful concept. The concept of a super app seems to be very interesting as we have many companies step into the market of super applications. And if you need more clarity on what is a super app and how will it work and what the business model, check out my video on the super app and get an answer for all your questions. Now, as we have many international brands and companies entering the market of super app, India is not behind. Well, on 7th April, Tata company launched their new super app and named it as Tata NEU. Now, Tata, being a big vertical of business world in India, already has expertise in many services and has a huge user experience. From exporting a daily need Tata Salt to international and national flight services, Tata has got Indian market covered 360. So what's new in Tata's new super app, NEU app? Coming down to the facts of Tata, as we all know, Tata has a huge experience in Indian market and the data of Indian market and mentality of people before they show. When you register on NEU app, you sign in with your Google IDs and that way Tata exceeds all your past experience in your shopping life and further gives you ads and references of what you would like and what you would not like. So in simple way, Tata is going to use their previous knowledge and further give their users a brilliant experience. Talking about Tata Industries, as I said, from manufacturing a normal day-to-day salt, Tata has got you covered in various industries to booking your tickets internationally. So that way, Tata has its user base in every industry. Now what Tata used to do was sell its product in different verticals and websites. But now with the new app, they have got their all products under single app. Now Tata is a label that people trust and use on daily basis. So all the users who are Tata product friendly, can be said, will love the experience of NEU app, and the users who are not used to Tata may like it too, because here Tata is offering all its services under one shelter. So maybe I need not browse another application for my shopping, another application for my food, but just Tata NEU, and that's all I require. Now, being one of the biggest business vertical, Tata has reported a revenue of 103 billion US dollars in the financial year 2021. And with their new concept of Super App as Tata NEU, they are all set to take the market to another level. So what is that new thing or different in Tata's NEU app as compared to other super apps? The smartest thing what Tata is doing with the NEU app is the concept of NEU coins. Now let me explain. As we all know, when a new application comes in market, they initially offer you many offers and cashback to consume more and more consumers to their platform and retain them on a regular basis. So similarly, when you log in on a new application with your Google ID, that excretes all your past experience and gives Tata company the lineage to read it, go through it, and then give you all the products that you might like. So the user experience which they already have is going to benefit for their future. Now the benefits which I'm talking about, like when you refer or when you shop from Tata, they are going to give you cashback and payback. Now this payback is not going to be in money but NEU coins. Yes friends, so Tata NEU coin values is 1 rupee is equal to 1 NEU coin. So whenever you shop, for example, for 1000 and Tata gives you 10 NEU coins, you have 10 rupees in your account. But that money is only on your NEU app. You exactly cannot take that out from your bank and use it somewhere else, but you have to use it by shopping it on NEU app. So like this, Tata is going to retain their customers and build a new financial sector where they have their own currency, own products, and their own user experience base. So this is one new concept which I personally feel is going to benefit Tata and definitely retain their customers and give them a regular comeback. Further, Tata plans to come up with NEU Pass. Now we know every application has a pro subscription. So NEU Pass is, in a layman language, a pro subscription for the NEU app users, where they will get special discounts, benefit and unique offers whoever has the NEU Pass and is a regular Tata NEU user. Further, another concept that Tata is giving a plus point is appreciation to their loyal customers. When you register on NEU app with your email IDs, you give the lineage to Tata and Group to go into your previous search history or shop history and get to know what products have you shopped. And the amount of time you have shopped a Tata company product, they will give you cashback for the same. So this way they are somehow making their loyal customers happy about staying loyal about them and also making them more interested in staying because they will always give you a payback or a cashback on staying loyal to them. So this is one smart consumer trick Tata is using to retain more and more customers. Looking further onto the competitive ground of Indian market, we always have Reliance company standing against Tata. Well, Reliance is yet being a little secretive about what application or how they plan to step in the market of Super App, but definitely coming up with one of their Super App which might be a cutthroat competition for Tata. So friends, this is going to be a very interesting war to see how the super apps are going to revolutionize the business world and who is ultimately going to win this race of super app. Where we are looking forward to customers who are very technical savvy and like to be on their phone most of the time. The concept of super app seems to be quite interesting and profitable in the coming world. Now, if you are a budding entrepreneur or businessman who is highly convinced with the concept of Super App and want to launch their Super App, we at Code-brew are all set for you. We have a pre-built solution called Deliver Sale, where you can excel multiple services on a single platform. If you are interested in exploring the demo and taking expert one-on-one advice, feel free to contact Code-brew Lab. From idea validation to B plan, from revenue generation to growth and marketing, we at Code-brew Labs have everything for you. So what are you waiting for? Are you set to enter the new trend of Super App? We are set to get you live in no time. So feel free and get in touch with the link in the description below. With this, we come to the end of this video. We will be back with more videos related to business world. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas.